Hello, how are you, my dear students? How are you all? I think you are fine. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 5. Does it look the same? Before starting this chapter, one thing I want to tell you, if you didn't complete your CW book, please complete it. Understood what I am telling you, beta? Understood? My dear student, look at this side. This is your clock. Okay, this is the clockwise direction. 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Okay, this is your beta clock. Understood what I am telling you? Clear? My dear students, look at this side. Clockwise directions. Okay. Look at this side. This is your clock beta. Okay. Now I have set one pencil which is exactly 12. Okay. You can see this is your pencil which I have set exactly 12. Now suppose if I want to show a clockwise direction, it means the clock will move from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. This thing I am going to teach you. Okay, second figure, if you will observe, likewise it will move 12 to 1. Understood? So in a second figure beta, here in the first figure exactly 12, here I have shown 12 to 1. Okay, now it will move 1 to 2. Okay, so exactly I have shown here it will move 1 to 2. In the same way 2 to 3. Okay, it will move 2 to 3. So this is known as clockwise direction, and already I have shown one example. Okay, I have shown original one clock. So in this way you can understand. So because this concept is very important beta to move clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, it is a very important concept. Clear? I have explained, I have taken two examples. I took one original anti-clock, and second thing I have explained using this pictograph. Understood? Now we will move on the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, first we will see the video. You can see in this video the second tail is moving 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5. You observe this clock is working anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so it is known as anti-clockwise direction, anti-clock, which you can be seen in this currently video. Okay, generally in our wall clock, which is working from clockwise direction, it means 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Okay, and anti-clockwise direction it will move 12 to 11, 11 to 10, 10 to 1. Understood what I am telling? Now look at this side. First I am going to teach you exactly same figure I took here. This is fully one clock. I have set pencil at exactly 12. In anti-clockwise direction, it means it will go in this direction, it will go better, right? Okay, so obviously 12 to 11, 11 to 10, 10 to 9, 9 to 8. You can see in the next figure, so you can understand. So I took next figure, it will set 12 to 11. Clear? Understood? Then in the third figure 11 to 10. So you can see, okay, now 10 to 9. So it is known as anti-clockwise direction. ओके जनरली हमारे घर में जो क्लॉक चलती है, घड़ी चलती है, वो कौन से डायरेक्शन में चलती है? वो डायरेक्शन में चलती है. ओके, बट हमने कभी ऐसा नहीं देखा है कि जो क्लॉक वो ऐसी डायरेक्शन में चलती होगी. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू? ये हमने कभी नहीं देखा है. ओके, लेकिन यू हैव सीन इन माई वीडियो कि ऐसी भी घड़ी ऑलरेडी मार्केट में अवेलेबल है विच इज वर्किंग एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ यू कैन सी हियर इन द नेक्स्ट फिगर it will move 10 to 9. Clear? It will move 10 to 9. So it is a anti-clockwise direction. Clear? Understood? Okay. Now we will move on the next thing, 1/4 rotation. 1/4 rotation means again I am taking fully one clock. You can see first I will set one pencil here. Exactly I have set at 12 o'clock. Okay. Now you can see it will move half. It means 1/4. So you can see I am going to divide into 4 parts. Okay. Clear? So you can see this pencil will move here. So it will show you in the figure number, this is the figure number 1. In the next figure you can see, okay, the rotation of 1/4 rotation. Clear? So you can see, so beta this is your 1/4 rotation. You can observe here this pencil which has been set exactly which number? 12. Okay, now it will move here. Okay, exactly 3. So you can see in the next figure. So it is known as 1/4 rotation. Clear? Now tell me this pencil. Again it will move 1/4 rotation. पेंसिल अब कहाँ पे जाएगी? कौन से नंबर पे जाएगी? Tell me. Okay, sir, this pencil move here. It means it will come on the 6th number. So now you can say, look at this side. Now third figure you can see कहाँ पे आएगी? अब 6 नंबर पे आएगी. Observe this. Clear? Now it will move again 1/4 rotation. Again it will move on the 1/4 rotation. Where it will go? Where it will reach? It will reach nearly exactly 9. Okay, a pencil यहाँ पे set होगी. Look at this. Are you ready? Okay, now see in the next figure. पेंसिल कहाँ पे आनी चाहिए? It will nearly 9. Okay, so you can see. Clear what I am telling you? Look at this side. Again I am repeating beta. This pencil we have moved here from this. Then in a second figure it will move here. Okay. Now in a third figure it will move here. Okay. In last figure again it will move on the first figure. So in this way cycle is continuously going on. 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9 and 9 to 12 are known as 1/4 rotation. Clear? Understood? This thing is taught by Shabana ma'am. Clear? Okay. Now we will move on the half rotation. Okay. So look at this in the next slide. Half rotation. Again I am going to take one clock and I have set one pencil exactly 12. Okay, now tell me fully rotation, fully half rotation. So this pencil अब कहाँ पे आएगी? Exactly. Look at this pencil. ये कितना rotation हुआ? It will exactly rotated 1/4 rotation. Again 1/4 rotation, it means half rotation. So this pencil will reach exactly which number? 6 number. So you can see in the next figure, it is known as half rotation. Okay, see now, yes or no? So it is known as half rotation. Okay, 12 to 6, 6 to 12, it is known as half rotation. Clear what I am telling you, beta? The shape of pencil look like this in the first figure, and the second figure look like this pencil. Okay, up and down. Clear? Now we will move in the next question. Draw the line or lines to divide the shape given below in the mirror image, and also find how many such lines can be drawn. हम कितनी लाइन रेक्टेंगल में ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? You can see. Okay, first I will show you. Okay, sir, you can draw in this way. This is the first line. Second line you can draw like that. So there are two lines. Understood? Look at this. The first line which I have drawn here, clear, and the second line, this is your beta second line which you have observed here, right? तो कितनी लाइन हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं in the rectangle? How many number of lines symmetry in the rectangle? There are two lines of symmetry in the rectangle. Okay. So look at this, number of lines can be drawn is equal to 2. Okay. To draw a mirror image, there are total 2 lines of symmetry. Clear? Now we will move on the second figure. This is beta A. Now tell me, we are going to draw a mirror image. तो कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? कौन सी जगह पे हम लाइन पहले करेंगे? Exactly in. Clear? So you can observe here this portion and another portion. Okay, there are mirrors. If you will see in the mirror, obviously your face will look like that. Clear? Understood what I am telling you? So look at this side. We will draw a line in between. So you can observe here. So how many lines of symmetry? There are only single line of symmetry in a capital A. Okay, so in the second figure, the number of lines can be drawn is equal to 1 only. Clear? Now we will see on the next figure. This is your beta capital B. Tell me, कहाँ से हम draw करेंगे? We are going to draw a mirror image. How many number of line symmetry can be drawn? How many number of line symmetry can be drawn, beta? Okay, sir. Do it by yourself, but think. Yes, exactly. Clear? So here you can see there are only single line of symmetry. Okay, but we can't be drawn like that. This is better wrong. Okay, we can be drawn only single line of symmetry. It means that is single number of line symmetry is equal to 1. Clear? Okay, now the next figure. observe this. In the rectangle there is a one circle, right? Okay, so look at this side first, exactly in which I have drawn. In the same way we are taking this point, and the third this. So how many lines, how many number of line symmetry? There are total 3 lines of symmetry. Clear? So look at this side, the first line of symmetry which I have drawn here, then second line of symmetry which I have drawn here, and the third line of symmetry which I have drawn here. So number of lines can be drawn is equal to 3. Understood? Now next question, draw the mirrored image of the following. Mirror each place along the dotted line. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे एक फिगर दी गई है. You have to draw a mirror image. ये इमेज को हमको कंप्लीट करना है on the this side. So what we have to do? First, we will draw a one line here. You can see we will draw one line here and another line here. So it will make a complete figure. Understood? Clear? So look at this side, the first figure, first line which I am going to draw here. So I have drawn with dash line, so you can understand. Clear? Okay, with the same color, but I have drawn with dash line, so you can understand. And the next line you can see, so it will make a complete figure. Okay, this is your original figure and this is your original figure. Okay, and it is your mirror image, mirror figure, right? It is your original and it is your mirror image. Clear? Understood? Better this type of question will be asked in the examination. Now I am taking another image, another figure. Look at this side. What we have to do first? We will draw line this. Okay, to make a complete figure. Okay, and next this is clear, so it will make a complete figure. Okay, so look at this side. I have drawn one dash line completely and another, so it will make complete figure, complete mirror images. Beta, I have drawn mirror images with dotted line. Clear? Okay. Now look at this side. We will move on the third figure. Okay. Now we will try to draw. Okay, this figure कैसे draw करेंगे? First we will draw a arrow from in the bottom. Here I have drawn the arrow on the top to bottom. So first I have drawn arrow in the bottom with dotted line. Clear? And we will join these two lines here, one line here and second line. So it will make a complete figure. Understood? So look at this side. The first figure, this is a copy, this is a mirror image. This is the original line, this is the mirror line. Okay. Now you can observe. Okay, so it will make a complete figure, right? Understood? Now I am taking the fourth figure for your understanding purpose. Okay, look at this side. What we have to do first? We will draw a one circle in the bottom. Then we will join these two lines. Okay, so look at this side. First I have drawn I have drawn one circle. Then we will join first this line and second this line beta. So it will make a complete figure. Understood what I am telling you, beta? Clear? So today I taught mirror images, clockwise direction, clockwise movement, anti-clockwise movement. Okay, and in the figure how many number of line symmetries are there. So these three topics today I have discussed. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Allah